we have to shoot with all the stuff lying here. We will actually have a freedom to, you know, pose and to express ourselves. I think so. It will be fun.
Don't try to do pretty.
Okay.
Try to do more aggressive.
Okay.
Very good.
So I've created that style. Show my abs and my body language and expressions also on face.
मैं बहुत nervous थी.
Yeah, push your hair back. Huh. Do all that, do all that. I told you to stand up on the tire, right?
Yeah. बहुत ही difficult था. मेरे पैर हिल रहे थे.
There was this whole sensuality that she brought into the pictures, which I thought was fabulous. Yeah, I like that look, Papa. Give me those looks, come on. Turn that side. Because that will give you a highlight, no, on the abs. Very good. Thank you, sir. Very good. There's a lot of advantage working with people, you know, who know how to pose in front of the camera. There is a comfort, there is an ease with their body.
I want to sit on this bag you can see over there, and this gonna be just like a prop outside, and I want to make my pose here.
So your prop is going to be the cement bag?
Yeah, cement bag with this whole set, like
the crusher.
This,
okay,
yeah.
all right. Bend that leg, your right leg, bend the knee, keep it up on the cement. Okay, what I want you to do is, you're doing this, okay? And just pretend where you're just putting your feet up, or you know, one of those.
सूबी सर ने खुद सामने से बोला कि आप यहाँ पे पोज करो.
Don't look at me. Move that hair off your face. Yes. Baba, point your toe. Point it. And now look there. That's good. Nice. Stay there. Turn the other side. Too much. Thank you. उसके हाथ में एक बहुत ही heavy एक drill machine था. But I would still have expected a little more from her. और ये हाथ को open कर. Yes, correct. And now look there. That's good. Look a little higher. Yeah, I love the way you express. Who's the next girl? I need the next girl ready.
I was like pretty excited for the task because it was like proper high fashion shoot, so I was like up for it.
You can choose what you want to shoot on, and then you can decide.
And we have like two choices here?
You have one choice, either this or that.
And I just took the rope and started posing with it. I was pretty comfortable in my pose.
Stay there, very good, stay there.
जो दो तीन प्रॉप थे, हैमर और जब मशीन, ड्रिल मशीन ऑलरेडी यूज़ हो चुकी थी, तो सूबी सर ने मुझे बताया कि तुझे कुछ नया प्रॉप अगर यूज़ करना है तो मुझे थोड़ा भूखा था. मुझे भूख लग रही थी. मैंने कहा सर मेरे को अगर सैंडविच मिल जाएगा तो अच्छा होगा, मैं एक बाइट भी ले लूँगा और उससे अपना प्रॉप भी बना सकता हूँ.
खा ले वो, तो अभी वो कटा हुआ दिखेगा ना, तो it will look nice. Couple into camera, and you can give me one or two smiling. Hold the yellow rope in the center. Keep your legs wide. Just drop your head a bit. Very good. थोड़े limitations थे, but I think she's someone who will get trained. ये पैर ऊपर ले. Flex abs. Thank you. He doesn't have the right body, so that for me was a no completely.
और जब मैं वहाँ पे क्लिक करने के लिए गया था तो मैं बिल्कुल भी प्रिपेयर नहीं था.
Do something else.
उन्होंने मुझे सिंपल इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए कि मैं ये वुडन फ्रेम है, आपको उस पे ऐसे पोज करना है.
Just lean on that. Very good. Thank you. Sanjeev's limitation again is his body. He needs to work on his body. What he did as a pose was brilliant.
जब मैं JCB पे चढ़ी तो वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्म था.
Is it hot?
दिमाग में ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस हो गई थी मैं अपने आप में कि मैं इस पे स्लिप भी हो रही हूँ, मुझको अच्छा पोज भी देना है.
Super. Look up also. Brilliant. I like what you're doing. Lovely. Hold on once again. उसने जो अपना enthusiasm दिखाया और जो interest के साथ उसने जो shoot किया, I loved her expressions, I loved her body line.
इस फैशन ड्रिल का पहला लेवल तो कंटेस्टेंट्स ने क्रॉस कर लिया, लेकिन अब it's time for level 2.
I am going to shoot you 7 times. But every time मैं आप लोगों को एक नया expression या emotion बताऊंगा. How many of you have heard about the famous 7 sins?
The 7 sins, I think it was a wonderful concept. जब उस बारे में सुबी ने हमें explain किया, I think it sounded really exciting.
I'll keep telling you one emotion at a time. और आप लोग को as a group, we want to see you outdo each other. So the first sin that I want you to express is envy.
In envy, don't put a combo of 2 girls and a guy or 2 guys and a girl. I think put it either 3 girls. There's an envy of 3 guys.
You need to come a little one step forward. Go back, go one. Yeah, ready guys? Okay, come on. Everybody take that step and look like you all are walking in.
ग्रुप टास्क जब हमें दिया गया तो अब बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं था सोचने का.
और अब let's see some hardcore pride. Not bad.
How proud are you of yourself?
Only thing that mattered in that shoot was you have to stand out.
अगला sin wrath यानी क्रोध. Oh, those sure are some very angry faces.
हमको 7 sins दिए थे जो perform करने थे, तो वो एक्चुअली मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि मुझे जब समझ में नहीं आती तो मैं ऑब्वियसली मैं नहीं कोई भी परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाएगा.
Next up, sloth, आलस. और इस sin को portray करना seems like a cakewalk for pretty much everyone.
Go guys. Nice.
और फिर we have greed. Get greedy, guys.
The next one is lust.
That's a good one. Yeah.
जब एकदम से लस्ट वाला उन्होंने सिन अनाउंस किया तो मैंने देखा जो पास खड़ा था एकदम से पेयर बन गए थे. और जब मैंने देखा आखिरी में तो संजीव अकेला था, तो मैंने सोचा कि इट इज़ बेटर टू पिक गर्ल्स ग्रुप रादर देन गोइंग विद अ गाय.
Once again, come on, last.
और आखिरी sin है gluttony.
Hookah, yes, exactly.
जिसके लिए इन्हें दिया गया है chocolate sauce. Hot models plus chocolate sauce can't get any hotter, can it now?
असली इमोशन दे दो अभी. Okay. Last one. Okay, guys, it's a wrap. Personally speaking, I think you all have all done very well.
Thank you so much.
All the best.
We are down to having to choose one boy, one girl. आज के Zoom Fashion Drill के winners हैं